Brown and yellow leaves don't look good on any plant. These leaves are basically dead or dying leaves, and removing them is more than an aesthetic choice. It is essential to redirect your plant's energy towards new growth. To cut these leaves, follow these 3 simple steps. Firstly, use a clean and sharp runner of garden scissors. Then, identify the leaves you want to trim. Now, cut them away from the stem and keep the cut as close to the stem as possible. Remember, always make an inclined cut to make sure moisture does not accumulate on it. Next step, dilute 2 to 3 ml of plant tonic in a liter of water and spray the plant to give it an instant energy boost. Lastly, place the plants in a well-ventilated area. So here, as you see, the edges of the leaves have turned brown. This can be due to humidity or physical damage. So trimming them is a completely aesthetic choice. It does not affect your plant's health. So trim away these browning leaves as per the natural shape of the leaf.